A super common question is how many proposals should I be sending out to win work when I'm starting out, and what hit rate should I expect? So I want to show you my actual hit rate from when I started. And remember, I had zero experience. I'd never written copy before. I'd never been hired before. I was totally fresh and brand new on Upwork, no reputation or anything. And this is my actual hit rate. So as you can see, in my first 10 proposals, I got 2 jobs. I'm just going to go through a few of these. In the next, I got 1 out of 10. Next one, 1 out of 10. So it looks like it was around 1 in 10. Oh my gosh, no, we had a really good day here. I got 3 out of 10. Next, I had 2 out of 10. Next, I got another 2 out of 10. Wow, really good. So it's actually more than 1 out of 10. I thought it was about 1 in 10. 1 out of 10 here. And where are we? We're at March by now. So let's go 6 months. Another 2 out of 10. April. 1 out of 10 in May. 1, 2, oh my goodness, 3, 4, 5 in 10. Golly gosh. 5 for that period. And that's up to June. Let's go through to the end of June. 1, 2, 3. And last one, I think. Yeah, okay. So 3 takes me to the end of June. So in 6 months, in the first 6 months on Upwork, I've been tallying this down on my whiteboard. I should have done more prep for this video. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 23 proposals. And that was I'm on screen 12. I started on 23. So I think in about 100 proposals, I landed 23 jobs in my first 6 months. So obviously things change over time. But that is a strike rate of nearly 1 in 4. And remember, this was with zero experience. I came in totally fresh and I had nothing to my name. So if I could do that, I think it is eminently reasonable to expect that if you are not getting jobs at between 1 in 5 and 1 in 10, you're probably doing something wrong with the proposals. But if you do them the way that I show you, then I think you should be fine.